Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normalization shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you, and I draw the world closer to your doorstep. So this information is coming to you from Dr. Ngozi, the United States of Biafra Deputy Prime Minister, where she talks about dragging the radio Biafra to court. In fact, there were some persons' names that were mentioned in the write-up, just like Powerful or Emmanuel Powerful, the DOS spokespersons. According to the information gathered, that some time ago, Emmanuel Powerful wrote an article or shared some things on social media claiming that Simon Ekpa is responsible for all the happenings in southeastern part of Nigeria. Now, according to the content of the letter, they said they alleged Simon Ekpa and the Biafra Liberation Army of causing the problem that happened in southeastern part of Nigeria. According to the USB, they said that Emmanuel Powerful and the Radio Biafra, they are aware that some crimes that were committed or that are committed in southeastern part of Nigeria as a result of the failure or the failed attempt from the governors. That why are they accusing Simon Ekpa of all this problem that is the cause? That a true Biafra will never accuse their own of such acts. According to the report also, they said that this is sounding as a warning to Emmanuel Powerful and that the Radio Biafra should apologize from their social media platform about the false allegation levied on Simon Ekpa. So this is a kind of sound warning to anyone operating under the Radio Biafra, claiming that Simon Ekpa is the one responsible for everything that is happening in southeastern part of Nigeria. What is my own? My own is to bring the work closer to your doorstep, to bring all the information to your doorstep, for you to be enlightened of what is happening. In fact, I am here to keep you updated. Now, I have a lot to say. See, when I was telling you people about the damage that a lot of people are causing, some persons just think that, oh, I'm just saying out of saying sake. But this message is coming to you from somebody from Biafra Republic government in exile. The message that he passed to Ada is going to shock you. In fact, this type of message is not really new to people like us because we have said the ones that are more than this. So, but people will just like, oh, you are saying that because of this. But if you watch carefully, there are lots of accusations without evidence. Now, listen to this.
You see, fighting a war is not something that everybody will get involved when it comes to information management. Exactly. Unfortunately, everybody is here and there talking about what they don't have expertise on. They are not acquainted with what war is all about. And instead of them to concentrate on the areas they can do well, they get involved in security matters. This is not doing us good. This lady needs to be cautioned. Today she will do this, tomorrow she will apologize. Today she will do this, tomorrow she will apologize. It's not done that way. It's not done that way. Please let this my short brief be recorded and let it be made available to her. This lady is doing us harm. There's no an independent freedom fighter. In freedom fighting, everything has to be properly coordinated. There should be synergy and there should be. Hello? Yeah, there should be one command. There should be one command. You see, there should be one command. So what she's doing is not helping us. And I want to specifically appeal to our men on ground. Please, stop calling on her program. Stop calling on the program of Ada Diorama. Ada Diorama have issues. She doesn't know what we are involved in. She doesn't know. Your lives, those of you men on ground, your lives are at risk, and we value your life so much. You are our strength. You are our life. You are our hope.
Exactly.
We don't joke with you.
Exactly.
And we don't want anybody to endanger your lives. Please, our men on ground, stop communicating with Ada Diorama.
Anybody at all, not only anybody at all outside the authorized line, don't call.
Communicate with those that are authorized to communicate with you. You know them. The way you have been communicating with our PM, and now we have our APM. The same way, continue to communicate through this line of chain of communication, through our APM. Don't communicate with other people else. You are risking yourself. And when you risk yourself, you are risking us. And you are risking the land. You are risking our hope, our life, everything. Please, I'm appealing to you. Stop communicating with anyone outside the channel of communication that have been opened for you from our PM and now our APM. I am begging you, please. Adarama, please stop meddling into security matters. We are fighting a war. I learned you are tabulating our fundraising. What kind of stupidity is that? It costs billions to fight war. It costs billions to fight war. Look at Ukraine. They are juggling from one country to another, looking for fund. And the small amount of money we are donating is what you are tabulating. What an insanity! Please, you should, those who can record this should record and send to her. Should be very careful. Stop tabulating our small amount of money we are contributing. It's just a drop of water in the ocean.
Oh.
This is just all I want to say now, please. And I thank every one of you for all you are doing. You are doing great. We are almost there. You see, I hate Nigeria with everything in me.
Everything.
And we must make everything possible to make sure that we completely get out of this useless, idiotic, Islamic and terrorist space, geographical space called Nigeria. Please, thank you so much.
In fact, if you really love this Ada, you will keep telling her the truth. People that are telling her the truth is those people that love her. Anyways, let her know that they don't serve people court paper. They don't serve people court paper. Not say I don't want you. You see, such is life. The same way she was treating Dr. Ngozi when she was under United States of Biafra, the same thing now she's not doing in Brgie. At times, I begin to imagine if Ada is the one or the leader of the Brgie, because I don't really understand what is happening there, and I don't really understand the role of Ada, that she's just everywhere. Yeah, that is why I said, is she the new leader of Brgie? Anyways, a word is enough for the wise. So today, the 22nd of May 2025, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court, and we are rooting for his freedom. Please make sure you share this video. Stay tuned as I will be giving you all the updates back to back about what transpired in court today. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.